Hello, my name is Bernard and welcome to ecobbler.com, the home of do-it-yourself shoe repair supplies. In this tutorial film, what I'm going to do is show you some basic techniques for doing shoe repairs at home. Right, firstly, you need to prepare the surface of the shoe. What you do need is some good rough sandpaper. Both of these adhesives are polyurethane based adhesives, and they're exactly the same type of adhesive that I use in my shoe repair business, so I'm not selling you anything that I don't use. Not too much, don't overdo it. Keep brushing it around like that. It has to be even, no patches, and keep brushing it until you feel it pulling. And that's it, don't do it anymore. Then you leave both surfaces for about 15 to 20 minutes. The next step is to apply the glue, and again it's the same principle as soling. You apply a bit of glue, not a lot, and rub it in with your trusty scouring pad. Right, now we've waited the 15 to 20 minutes for the glue, and we're going to apply the sole to the shoe. Here's a good tip. Take two elastic bands, put them on the shoe like that, twist them around so they're really tight. An important piece of equipment is the knife for finishing the soles. This needs to be a Stanley knife or Stanley type knife with a hooked blade. That's very important. Keeping the knife firmly on the edge of the sole of the shoe. You need a hammer, not a panel pin, light hammer. You need a good heavy hammer, preferably with a good head on it. The same principle applies whether you're doing a man's sole and heel or a lady's sole and heel. Okay, thank you for watching this film, and thank you for purchasing from ecobbler.com. If you need any further advice, please contact me at any time.